Welcome to Shenzhen Horse Industry Company Limited. We are 10 years dashcam manufacturer with CE with FCC certificate. Now we'd like to introduce you one of our hot selling products, 4G 12-inch rear window mirror dashcam. Now we will show you more details. This is the appearance of our product. This rear window mirror camera is a 4-signal HD steam medium with a large 12-inch IPS touch screen and 2 4G visual with Android 18.1 system. Front camera 1018p. Rear camera AHD 720p. Also equipped with RAM4 and ROM32G inside. Also have 2 and 32G visual for your choice. Support Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, FM, and remote control. Now for the menu details. Google navigation, recorder, mobile internet, FM, replay, setting, phone interconnection, 1018p, resolution, loop recording, G-sensor, channel delay, multi-language, music, daytime setting. Goods in stock for faster shopping. Contact us now if you have interest. See you next time. Goodbye.